They show you Paris. They show you Dubai. They show you Bali. But nobody talks about this place at a place with 365 beaches. One for every day of the year. The place where the water looks edited, but it's real. This is Antigua. And this might be the most underrated paradise on Earth. Most people think the Caribbean is just one big vacation blur. Palm trees, resorts, Sunday repeat. But Antigua is different. This island doesn't scream for attention. IT doesn't chase clout. It waits, quietly, for the people who are lucky enough to find it. Let's be honest. Some beaches look good online and disappointing in real life. Antigua is the opposite. The sand is whiter than you expect. The water is clearer than your camera can handle. And the colors, they don't fade. They pop harder the longer you stare. 1 minute you're floating in calm, glass-smooth water. The next, you're standing on a beach where the waves crash like thunder. And somehow, there's no crowd and no noise, just space. It feels almost illegal how empty it is. Antigua doesn't rush you. That IT disarms you. Your shoulders drop without you noticing. You're breathing slowly. Your phone stays in your pocket longer. This island has a rhythm, and once you fall into it, everything else feels too loud. What makes Antigua special isn't just how it looks, it's how real it feels. This isn't a place performing paradise for tourists. This is daily life, with the ocean as a backdrop. The smiles aren't forced. The conversations aren't rushed. The culture isn't packaged. You don't visit Antigua. You step into it. Here, food isn't content, it's a moment. Fresh fish pulled straight from the sea. Fruits so ripe they taste unreal. Spices that hit then linger. Nobody eats in a hurry here, because nobody's in a hurry, period. So, why don't they show you Antigua enough? Because it doesn't beg for attention. That IT doesn't go viral on purpose. IT doesn't care if you notice it or not. Antigua doesn't try to be famous, and that's exactly why it feels untouched. Some places give you photos, others give you memories. Antigua gives you a feeling, one you'll chase long after you've left. If you felt this through the screen, like the video, subscribe, and